Hi everyone, today I wanted to film a spring 2022 pretty casual lookbook of just outfits I'm excited to wear this spring. I live in Michigan, so it's a little bit colder at the beginning of spring, but it'll warm up. So we've got some in-between transition outfits as well. This first one is super casual. My crew neck is from Aritzia. My cargo pants are actually from Abercrombie. I just sized up so they'd fit low-waisted and then rolled them once so they didn't look like a drop crotch. I will have everything linked in the description below so you guys can easily shop that. Then I wanted to show dressing these cargo pants in a more dressed up way. I've actually already worn this outfit out once before, and I got this little kind of corseted bustier top from the thrift store for literally $3, and it's BB, and this is a color I would never normally buy, but I absolutely love it with the green and super cute. Love dressing up the cargo pants. Then I wanted to style these little bloomers. So I had a vintage pair of bloomers, but I really wanted a pair that ruffled all the way up the butt and didn't stop halfway. And vintage bloomers stop halfway up the butt, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So I got these ones off an Instagram ad. I'll link it down below. And I wanted to dress this in more like a preppy, old school kind of way. They really do look like bloomers, like underwear in this style, but I mean, they are. These are a little pair of thrifted ballet flats with a heel, so not ballet flats. And then my new favorite thing is putting ribbon in my hair anytime I can. I love two double braids with the ribbons on the end. I think it's such a fun look. I'm having so much fun with my hair recently because it grew out a little bit. And just doing different styles and seeing how much it really can transform a look. It's been making me not buy as much because I feel like I can switch up my look and my outfit with my hair opposed to a new top every day. So then dressing it a little bit differently, the bloomers, I added my vintage Carhartt denim jacket that my dad actually got for me off Facebook Marketplace, added these cowboy boots, and these ones actually aren't vintage. They're from Steve Madden. I like how high up they go. I have another black pair that go a little lower, and to me they seem more casual. And then this green bag is from Jacquemus. I got it a little bit over a year ago, so I'm not sure where you can find it. I'll try and find the name of it though and write it in the description box below. Then I love denim on denim. I feel like I've shown an outfit like this before. I was showing outfits a lot on TikTok, and then I realized how much I hated TikTok, so I deleted it. So you guys are getting exclusive outfits now. I hope you guys enjoy that. And it makes me not forget what I showed on TikTok and what I haven't showed here. I just get to show everything here now. But I love denim on denim with this little bandana on my head. I think it's so cute. The kitten heels, these are vintage Miu Miu that I thrifted. Such a find. And then that purse, I know I'll get so many questions on it. It's from Versa Bags. I'll link her down below. They're the most high quality purses I've ever seen in my whole life. Another way to style denim on denim, I paired the jean jacket with these denim Tommy Hilfiger shorts that I recently just thrifted and showed you guys in a past video. And then I couldn't decide if I wanted to do cowboy boots or sneakers. I really like how the cowboy boots look, but I just felt like I had been doing a little bit more dressed up looks. Not that cowboy boots are dressed up, they're just a little more extra. And I wanted to show a more toned down version of the denim on denim. And then I added this little camo hat that I thrifted for, again, I think it was 99 cents. And I love this look. I can't wait to wear something like this. It's literally the epitome of a dad fit, but it looks so good. And then that fanny pack is from Brandy Melville, and I added a little Vivienne Westwood charm on it, so it looks like it's Vivienne Westwood, but it's Brandy, and it's really old. And then Ernie, of course, he always wants attention during these videos. This is his new little toy from his Bark Box this month. He actually got sent PR, and he got a Bark Box, and I thought that was so freaking cute. He also got a bunch of treats in it. All the toys in it are his favorite. He somehow has not ripped them to shreds yet, which is very surprising for him. He has a jaw of steel, and I could literally bribe him with these treats. He likes them so much from his Bark Box that he sat here the rest of the video just eyeballing his treats. Don't worry, I give him more later on. I'm not torturing him. Then styling the jean jacket another way, I have this midi dress and the cowboy boots and the little Jacquemus purse. Super cute. Not much to say about it. I love it. You can't go wrong with a midi skirt and a jean jacket. Then this midi skirt you guys have seen 1,000,004 times. Actually, every piece in this outfit you guys have seen 1,000,004 times. The skirt is from Princess Polly a while ago. The top is Oresund Iris, and the boots I thrifted at the beginning of the pandemic. And these are just some of my favorite pieces ever. I love this outfit so much. I love pulling the skirt down to be low-waisted. I think it is so adorable, and I don't know where I'm going to go to wear this kind of outfit, but I can't wait because I'm so obsessed with it. And then the bow in the hair, of course. Then dressing the skirt down a little bit, I added this Dickies kind of workwear jacket that I just got straight off the Dickies website. Added my Nike P6000s, the most comfortable shoes of all time. And then my knockoff Le Cagole bag that I got from EGO. I've been wearing it nonstop. It's not the best quality, but it gets the job done. It's fine. And see, we give Ernie more treats. I'll link BarkBox in the description as well. This little top is from Revolve. I've got my favorite camo pants on that are realtree. If you're looking for them, just go on eBay, Poshmark, Depop, whatever, and search realtree camo pants. Similar ones will come up. I love dressing up my camo pants. Yeah, just dressing them up more. We've got the double braids, the bows, the kitten heels. This is honestly one of my favorite outfits. And then to dress it down a little bit, I didn't want to just do like a t-shirt or a hoodie or something. So I added this cardigan from Everlane, and then it's camp. We added the matching camo hat. I like the double camo. I think it's so fun. And then the sneakers, again, tone it down a little bit. I love the colorful sneakers. Just with like kind of an obnoxious outfit. It's so much more fun to me than like a white sneaker. Like death to the white sneaker. I'm so obsessed with a colorful sneaker. Then we have these thrifted pants on, jeans, and I added a little like double grommet belt because they're coming back, and pulled my hair in a little bun, like a ballet bun with a gingham bow in it. And this is a super chill look, but I absolutely love how it turned out. I definitely need another one of these like grommet belts because this one is actually broken, but I made do for the video. I think it's really cute though and ties the purse together. I'm so all for bringing back a belt because there's nothing I hate more than a shoestring belt. Slander for the shoestring belt, I'm sorry, especially when it's tied around the back and it's like your pants just don't fit. And you're just tying it around the back to make your pants fit. I don't understand. Just wear a belt, especially now they're back. Okay, this outfit, don't really know what you guys are going to think about it. Kind of looks like scrubs, but I really like how it looks. The pants are actually part of a matching set that I'll show in a second. I really like just all the color in this outfit, you know, the crochet bag from Nicolina Clothing that you guys know I wear all the time, the Nike P6000s. I love these pants. Like track pants are just so in right now, pulling them low-waisted, and then the waffle top was actually my dad's that I just stole, or he gave me a bunch of them. And then here is the set together. I didn't think I'd like it with like a tennis shoe like this, but I think it looks pretty good. I showed this in my last video, like thrifting video, and you guys all said you'd like to see it with like heels or booties, and I'm just not quite sure yet. I was so unsure that I didn't even try it on. I kind of totally forgot. But then we put on the Adidas track pants because, like I was saying, I think track pants are just going to be so in, dressing them up, dressing them down. And Ernie wanted attention in this video, and when he wants attention, how am I not supposed to give it to him? He was being so cute and cuddly. I'm going to put a timestamp if you want to skip me cuddling my dog, but like, this is the cutest stuff ever. I love this dog so freaking much. He like hugs me and puts his head on my neck. And when we're like this, like, I can't get up. It's just the best feeling in the whole world. I could cry thinking about this. He's next to me right now, sleeping on the bed, and I just want to go cuddle him again. Oh, I just love that he thinks he's a lap dog and wants to be so close. Like, pit bulls are literally the most cuddly dogs in the entire world. They just want to be, like, on top of you, and that's all I need in my life. Okay, last outfit. We've got the Adidas track pants I got off Depop, my New Balance 550s. This is my little jacket that I thrifted that's like a knockoff of the Matilda Jerf. It's not a knockoff, it's like the real version. It's London Fog. And then the Le Cagole and some yellow sunglasses. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys the absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Remember to check out that description box for everything under the sun. And I'll see you in a few days. Bye.